Hello everybody, welcome to Yash Trust channel. I'm Yash. Today I'm making video related to quantity posting after inspection lot completion where we should post our inspection lot quantity and their relative moment type. So friends, let's move towards sheet. As showing on the screen, we have different material numbers. Then we have different places where we should post our quantity after completion of inspection lot, their relative moment types, purchase order, item list. So friends, all of you know that after completion of inspection, we will do usage decision, that is UD. And in usage decision, we need to put our quantity either unrestricted use, scrap, sample consumption, block stock, either new material, reserve stock, or return posting. So SAP system provided us facility to post QM quantity after inspection lot completion to their different places. So firstly, I will show you the path where we can maintain these all the places. So here is the path as showing on the screen. SPRO, quality management, quality inspection, inspection lot completion, define inventory posting. So I will follow the same path. Here, first is going to the SPRO, then we will go towards quality inspection. Here is my quality inspection, quality management, quality inspection, then inspection lot completion, and here is define inventory posting. So friends, here we need to maintain our different places and their relative moment type, where we want to put our quantity after completion of usage decision. We can add one more also instead of other. So as showing on the screen, I will give you demo one by one. Where should I want to post quality inspection lot and I want to put quantity in that different places. So friends, there are some prerequisites. First prerequisites that I want to maintain quality management view for that particular material. So here I will show you my quality management view related to that material. Yes, I want to maintain quality management view. This is my quality management view and this is my inspection type 01, that is good receipt inspection against purchase order. Next thing I will show you, that is quality inspection plan. Next thing I will do for quality inspection plan. So here I am creating one quality inspection plan for that finished material. Here is my control key. Here I want to put my MIC and sampling method. Now I want to save it. So for first material, I will create a sampling inspection plan and I maintain inspection, that is quality management view, but rest of material I already did it. So there is no any chance for creating. Now next step is to create purchase order for that particular finished material. So T code for creating purchase order is nothing but MA21 and here I want to put vendor. Here I want to put some company code, purchase organization. Here I put my finished material. Here I want to put quantity. Here I want to put some mandatory data. and I want to save that particular material. Now friends, my next step is to release that particular production order. My next step is to release that production order. The T code for release of production order is nothing but MA29N. Here I want to put my release quantity. Here I want to put my purchase order, and here I want to do release for checker, purchase manager, and GM procedure. Yes, now I want to save that document. So friends, here now my purchase order is ready for doing good receipt. My purchase order is ready for doing good receipt. Now next step is to do GRN against that particular purchase order. The T code for doing GRN is nothing but MIGO. Here I want to put my purchase order number. My purchase order number is nothing but last 4340. Yes, 340. Here is my material, here is my quantity, here is my location. So I want to put here my location where I need to put that quantity. Here are item okay and delivery note. Now I want to post directly that material. Yes. So now friends, there is material document is posted. Now my next step is to go to way32 screen. Here I put date range, and once I put date range, execute it, the system show me that same quality inspection lot. I want to change layout first because I maintain one important layout. I made it. So in that layout, here is only one inspection lot with quantity 10. And in that layout, if I scroll right side, all the quantity, that is scrap quantity, sample quantity, block stock, reserve, new material, etc. will automatically come. So currently in unrestricted use, there is no quantity because this inspection lot is not UD confirmed. This inspection lot only in the registration. So my next step is to do result recording for the same inspection lot. Here I want to put my result. Then I want to execute it. Okay, I want to lock it and I want to save that inspection log. Now my status will be changed, that is recorded. Now next step is to do usage decision. It is one of the important step. Here I want to put UD code. My UD code is nothing but 01 accepted. Click on inspection log stock. Friends, here I want to put all my 10 quantity to unrestricted use and I want to save my result, or I want to save this user. After refreshing it, you know that system status is changed, that is UD, and all quantity is going to unrestricted use. Now my next step is to go to material document list. Here I want to put same material, and after executing it, you know that there is only one moment, that is 321 moments done. 101 moment for good receipt and purchase order. And this is the moment, that is 321 and 121, means all stock going to unrestricted use. So this is our first thing that completed, that all stock move towards unrestricted use and 320 moment happen. If you see the MMB stock, that is total stock, then you observe that my total stock is moved towards unrestricted use from quality management. Here is my total stock move towards unrestricted. So friends, now I will move towards second demo session, that is I want to put my all quantity towards scrap and I want to show you 553 moment type. So here is my purchase order. First thing I want to do GRN against that particular purchase order. I already created purchase order and released it. So my next step is to do GRN. Here is my quantity. Here is I want to put my storage location and I directly post it. So once I posted here, system give me the message that my material document is posted successfully. Now next step is to I want to check whether my inspection lot is created or not. Yes, my inspection lot is created with release status. So here is there is no any quantity available for scrap quantity and unrestricted because my inspection lot is now release status. I want to do result recording and then uses decision. Here I want to put result. Then I want to check it, lock it and save it. Yes, after successfully result recording, I want to do uses decision. After refreshing system status change, and I want to do uses decision for the same inspection lot. Here I want to accept it because this result recording is okay. Now my next step is to do stop posting from total to scrap quantity and enter. Now I want to save that result. So friends, after successfully uses decision, you show that my total quantity moved towards scrap quantity. Unrestricted is 0, but scrap quantity is increased by 10. So same thing I will show in material document list, that is MB51 T code. Here I want to put my finished material. My material number is 464 and I want to 1 minute. Sorry. I want to put my material number and I refresh it. So once I refresh, you saw that there are only two moment type. First moment type is related to purchase order and next moment type is 553, that is stock posting towards scrap. So when you see for that particular material in MMB, you observe that there is no any place for this. Sorry. I put here finished material, enter. If I execute, you see that when I posted that quantity to a scrap, there is no any stock quantity available in MMB because scrap quantity is quantity there has no any existence. Stock quantity has quantity, scrap quantity has quantity which has no any existence. Now next is sample consumption with 331 moment. So same procedure I will follow. This is my purchase order number and this is my item number. I want to do GRN first. This is my purchase order number. This is my item number. I want to do GRN. Here I want to put my storage location. Then I want to post that quantity first. Material document is okay. Now my next step is to check it in QA32 whether the inspection lot is created or not. Yes, currently my inspection got created, but in sample consumption there is 0 value because I want to do result recording and use this decision. Here I want to put acceptable value. I want to evaluate it. I want to close it. I want to save it. Next step, I want to do usage decision for that. Here I want to put acceptable, that is 01 UD code, and in inspection lot stock I want to put all quantity in sample consumption. Here is one message give that is posting to sample along up to the lot size 1. So why this message come? Because in our sample, when I created inspection plan, there are sampling method, and in our sampling procedure I use sampling procedure with sample consumption quantity only one allow. So with respect to that message, I want to click here. I want to put 9 quantity here and sample consumption 1. Now there is no message. Now I want to save that uses decision. After refreshing it, you show that unrestricted use there are 9 quantity and sample consumption there is 1 quantity. If you drag right side, you show that there is no any further quantity available, only 2 places, that is unrestricted use and sample quantity. Unrestricted use and sample there are 1 quantity. My next step is to show material document list. So in material document list, I want to put here my material first. This is my material. After refreshing it, you observe that. Sorry, I want to check material first. Oh, material is okay. Yes, here is first 101 moment. There is 321 for 9 quantity and there is 331, that is to the sample consumption, that is 1 quantity. So all moment type happen properly. My next step is to show that material in MMB stock. In MMB, that is stock overview, you observe that only 9 quantity is present in unrestricted use. I think 30 means already 4 is present, no doubt, but there is no any quantity related to sample consumption. Means there is no any stock considered for sample consumption, only unrestricted stock will be considered. So this is more about sample consumption. Place. Now next is I want to put my total quantity to a block stock and I want to show 350 moment. So same procedure I will follow. First I want to put here my purchase order number. I want to put here my item number. Then here is my storage location. I want to put all the quantity and document posted successfully. Next step, I want to show you whether this inspection lot is created or not. Yes, my inspection lot created with status release. And if you observe that there is no any quantity unrestricted, scrap, sample and block, all are 0. Now I want to put my result here. So after putting my result here, I want to evaluate it, I want to close it, and I want to save it. After refreshing, system status will be changed. Now I want to put usage decision here. So friends, in usage decision, I want to accept it. And I want to click on inspection log stock. Here my total stock is 10, but I want to put log stock as a 5 and total stock as a 5. So friends, there is unrestricted stock 5 and block stock 5. I want to save that particular UD. After refreshing it, you observe that yes, unrestricted stock is 5 and block stock will be 5. Now I want to show you material document list. Here is my material, that is 466. I want to check it again. Yes, 466. After refreshing it, you observe that there is one moment, that is 350. 101 moment for purchase order good receipt. 321 moment for quantity move from unrestricted to quantity move from quality to unrestricted, and 350 moment is for quality move from quantity move from quality to the block stock. 350 moment is for block stock. So when you see that particular material in stock overview screen, that is MMP, you observe that here you want all the 2 quantities, that is 5 quantity is in unrestricted use and 5 quantity is in block stock. So all this quantity have proper storage location. You easily got it. So this is more about block stock place. Now friend, my next step is to show how you ship your material from one material to the next material, total quantity. How you ship your quantity from one material to another material and show you 309 moment type. So same step I will follow. Here is my purchase order and here my purchase order item. My purchase order here I want to put, and I want to put here my item. Yes, friends, I want to put here storage location and I want to post my quantity. So after posting my quantity, one material document number is created. After refreshing, I want to see inspection lot is here with there is no unrestricted stock, no block stock, and in right side no reserve stock, no new material stock. There is all quantity are empty. So now next step is to do result recording. So here I put my result. I want to evaluate this result. I want to close that result, save it. So after saving it, system status is changed, and friends, I want to do users decision for that particular inspection lot. I want to accept it, and after clicking inspection lot stop, here friends, I want to put all the quantity for new material, all the quantity or no. After entering, system asks me for the new material. So friend, my new material is nothing but this is my new material. This is my new material. So friends, I want to put this and I want to check it. Yes. So before saving, I want to show you that my both material has what is the stock system status. What is the stock status of both the material? Okay, here is my previous material, which has 10 quantity in quality stage. And this is my new material. This is my new material is 71. And this material has no any unrestricted stock, no any quality stock, or no any block stock. All stocks are empty. So friends, I want to show you first after saving what changes will happen. After saving what changes will happen. So all I put it all quantity in new material. Storage location is RM. Now I want to save it. After saving it, system give me a message that UD is posted successfully and my unrestricted quantity stock is 0 and my new material stock is 10 with material number here. So next step I want to show you material document list. So here friends, my material document list, I want to put that old material first and I want to execute it. Here is the only two moments, that is 101 and 321. As going to the sheet moment, I want to show you 309 moment, but here is only two moment type, that is 101 and 321. If I put here 71 material and execute it, you observe that there is 201 moment type. Now next step is to check whether both material, after refreshing it, my old material is diminished here, and when I want to check my finished material, here you observe that all quantity, that is 10 quantity, come towards unrestricted use and there is no other quantity for finished material. So this is more about inspection type 321. Inspection type 321 here, new material. Here also observe that inspection type 321, that is quality to unrestricted. Now next I want to show you inspection, that is quantity posted to the reverse, quantity posted to the reserve, and moment type 350. Moment type 350. Friends, I want to post it all quantity from quality inspection to other location. That's why this moment type only consider. When I posted quantity from unrestricted to other location, then this is inspection type will consider. So in previous, there is no any 309 inspection type because I want to post my quantity from quality stock, not unrestricted stock. That's why here is moment type is 321. Yes. So next step, I want to show you my quantity posted to a reserve, and I want to show you moment type 350. So same procedure I will follow now. Here is my purchase order. Here is my item number. Same here, I want to put my stock. Here I want to put delivery note, and successfully my document will post it. So after refreshing QA32, there is one inspection lot come. So same procedure I will follow. Friends, I will show you there is no any stock in quality inspection, block stock, sample consumption, all quantity are 0. Now I want to put result recording for the same inspection lot. Here put result, acceptable result, evaluate it and close it. Save it. So after saving inspection lot status change, my next step is to user's decision. User's decision is there. And friends, all of you know that there is acceptable value. I want to put all quantity to a reserve quantity, enter it and save the particular inspection lot. Save the particular inspection lot. Okay, friends, there are one message come, that is this material type has does not exist 001. So friends, I want to check it. I want to extend that material first. I want to extend that material with 001. It's very easy task. It's very easy, not complicated. I want to check first that material. My material number is 468, last one. Okay. Here I want to put same material. Here I want to put same material. And then friends, I want to make that material in that particular storage. Sorry, I want to put that location for particular storage location. Okay, this error, this is not error. Actually, first thing is I want to escape it from quality inspection lot. Now friends, my next step is to put the same material. Yes. Yes, save it. Now friends, again I go to the inspection lot stock. I want to click on user's decision, and now I want to accept the user's UD code. And friends, I want to put my all quantity towards reserve sample and save it. After saving it, friends, after refreshing, you observe that system cases is UD and my all quantity, that is 10 quantity, move towards some reserve sample, 10 quantity with that particular storage location. So friends, I want to check document list. Here is my material is 468. I want to put it. After refreshing it, friends, observe that there is one is 101 moment, that is good received against purchase order, and 350 moment, that is put the quantity to a reserves. Put the quantity to a reserve. In stock overview screen, you also observe that in stock overview screen, you observe that there is no any quantity available, but sorry, I think my material is 468. There is block stock material. Why? Because 350 moment, 350 moment to the sample consumption also. Sorry, reserve sample also and block stock, there is same moment type, and you put that material in MMB also. So this is more about moment type 350 reserve. And now friend, next is I want to put my total quantity to a return posting, and I want to show you 122 moment. So friends, there is a same procedure that I want to put my quantity and I want to purchase order and item. Here I want to put storage location. Here I want to put delivery note and I want to posting. After refreshing QA32 screen, you see that there is one inspection lot created and I want to fill my inspection result. I want that particular inspection lot, evaluate it, close it and save it. After refreshing, system status is changed. And friends, if you observe that there is no any unrestricted stock, quantity stock and return when there is null quantity because you want to do user decision first. Here I want to put my quantity. Here I want to put inspection lot stock to return posting stock. Enter. Here reason for moment. There are number of reasons. So I want to click here for poor quality. Yes. And text is something I want to put and I want to save that particular inspection lot. After refreshing it, you observe that system status is changed and there is 10 quantity towards return to vendor. Since I want to show you in material document list, here I want to put my finished material. In finished material, you observe that there is 101 moment and 122 moment. 101 moment for good receipt and purchase order and 122 moment for return posting. And if you see for the MMB, that is stock overview screen, after refreshing it, you observe that there is on order stock 10 quantity, that is return the posting. On order cost 10 quantity, that is return posting. So friends, in this video, I cover related moment types and how we post our quantity from quality inspection to the different places. I will show you here quality inspection to the different places related moment type and unrestricted use to the different places posting related moment types. So friends, this is more about how we put our inspection lot quantity to the different places and related moment type. Next time I will come with one of the important video. Meanwhile, you like the channel, subscribe the channel, share the channel with the friends. Thank you.